Hola, I'm Angela, a modern languages teacher and owner of Lively Languages. So, what happens if you express doubt in Spanish? Well, it triggers the subjunctive, which is like a tense. If you're not sure how to form the subjunctive, watch my earlier video. Why are we talking about this? Because expressing doubt is very useful language, especially if someone thinks you should dive off a high cliff. You want to be able to say, I don't think that's a good idea. And if you're preparing for an exam, you definitely want to include this structure. Let's look at some examples. Here are several ways to express doubt. Dudo que, I doubt that. No pienso que, I don't think that. Or no creo que, I don't believe that. No estoy seguro, segura de que, I'm not sure that. After these expressions, the next verb in the sentence is in the subjunctive. For our examples, let's use ser, to be, in the subjunctive. Here is the verb in full. Sea, seas, sea, seamos, seáis, sean. Now, let's look at how to say, Felipe is a doctor. This is a statement of fact, and so we say, Felipe es médico, with es being the present tense of ser, meaning is. However, if we doubt Felipe as a doctor, we express the doubt, dudo que, and this in turn triggers the subjunctive, and so we say, dudo que Felipe sea médico. I doubt that Felipe is a doctor. Note that in English we can say, I doubt that Felipe is a doctor, or I doubt Felipe is a doctor. But in Spanish, the word for that, que, is always needed. Here's the example I mentioned earlier. If someone thinks it's a good idea to dive off a cliff for a swim, you want to be able to say, no creo que sea una buena idea. And sea is in the subjunctive as it comes after the doubt, no creo que. Here's a final example. To say it's true, we say es verdad. Therefore, I don't think it's true is no pienso que sea verdad. This is a commonly used expression and good to have up your sleeve ready to use. So there you have it. If you express a doubt, you need to follow it with a verb in the subjunctive. Why not memorize the ways of expressing doubt so that you're ready to hit the ground running when you want to contradict someone? Or if you have a question, pop that in the comments and I'll reply. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another one. All that remains for me to say is gracias y adiós. Thanks for watching.